Behind me is a 2025 Lexus RCF, and right here is our stainless steel valve catback system for the RCF. This system fits all models RCF, and today we're gonna be installing this exhaust and seeing how it compares to the stock system versus the stainless steel fully valve catback system. So let's get into it. This exhaust is full T304 stainless steel. It comes with this X pipe right here, 2 resonators, and the valve mufflers. So when the valves are open, you can fully hear this exhaust, and with valves closed, it makes this thing just as quiet as stock. In my opinion, it's one of my favorite things on all these cars to do, BMW, Lexus, anything. That valved exhaust makes you be able to go from loud to quiet with the click of a button. In my opinion, this is one of the best setups for the RCF. So let's see how that stock exhaust sounds, and then let's throw the system on.
Let me start the fucking install at 6 p.m. I was supposed to kick it with a hose. It's just a fucking exhaust, real shit. Like, it doesn't look like it's gonna be that difficult, but first plan of attack is just getting these O2 sensors out, which is kind of a bitch, but see that? So we got this one out, and then looks like I'm gonna have to take this brace off. I don't know, might take it down in one piece or split it right here. The valves are gonna be difficult, that's it. That bitch is doing what it's supposed to. So I just slid these valve wires right through the under tray. So I popped this under tray down, fed it through the bottom of the car. It's going into the trunk. You need this wire hanging out so you can plug it right here. Boom, just like that. But I had to wire these through first, so then I have access to the valves. So now I'm slapping the mufflers up, and then I'll probably put the mid pipe in and then finish it up right here. Can you see the dual Zens right now? Double decked. Fuck yeah, twin. Fuck yeah, twin. Fuck yeah, twin. When she rips that shit off. What? Huh? Get it sexy. I'm a demon on the nuts. Pause.
That's what the same thing's about to sound like, man. It's not a fucking screw. No, I think it's gonna be like more like a, you know, deep and really throaty. Pause.
It's gonna sound like this.
Oh, hell no.
Pause.
Hey, what that gun sound like?
Whoa,
okay, that's not making the video.
Push it up, flat. But no, they fucking gypped me, dude. They fucking hit me with that.
Everyone's be like, what's this guy talking about, man?
Bryce be licking my ears after we leave here. It's crazy. He'd be licking on my ears. Yeah. Insert that ASAP Rocky clip. Tyler, what's his name? Tyler, the creator. Rocky I'll be licking up on his braids like.
I've never seen that, but I don't know.
I be licking this nigga braids like.
How did you even think of that?
I don't know. 82 Jesse's like that.
That clip thing.
Bro, that's middle of the back seat.
Oh, fuck, I see your finger. Oh, fuck, keep going. Yeah, I see it. Oh my God, I need pliers. Yes, keep going. Yes, keep fingering it through. You're so close. Go under that. Yep. Yep. God, dude. Be careful wiring the fucking valves on this thing, man. You're gonna fucking kill yourself. We got the exhaust all on. As you guys saw, the full stainless system, it looks really, really good. Had a little bit of trouble in the valves there. It's not like the normal BMW valves, but ran it under that little panel there in the back and it all worked out. But super excited to see how this thing sounds. We actually sell a lot of these systems, but we don't really get a lot of content on it because we're primarily a BMW based shop. So without further ado, let's get this thing started and see how it sounds. So like I told you guys, this system is valved. So it has the remote here, valves open and valves closed. You guys will go to the back and hear both of those in just a second, but it's a really cool feature that I like on all these systems that we sell.
But I think he's getting used to it, figuring out how it works. It sounds good. I have no energy no more. I'm ready for canes. Yeah. Canes, dog.
There you guys have it. This is our stainless steel valve catback system on the Lexus RCF. This system sounds really good paired with the stock headers. So this car still has catalytic converters, but paired with the full stainless catback system, it's a super good option for all you Lexus RCF owners. If you want one of these systems, link is down in the description, CenCalMotorsports.com. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.